We're building a cozy bedroom set, adding outfit pieces, and making everything reusable so you can dress and restyle again and again. We're laminating the printable using clear packing tape. Now we cut out the background and all the small pieces, the clothes, accessories, and details. Take your time with the smaller parts so the edges stay clean. For the bedroom setup, we're cutting along the top side of the bed so the doll can slide inside. This small detail makes the whole scene more interactive and realistic.
On my desk, scissors ready, what's next? Little outfits, tiny shoes, every detail I can choose.
To make the clothes reusable, we're creating tiny tape loops. Just roll a small piece of tape into a loop and stick it to the back of each clothing piece. This way, you can easily dress and undress the doll without glue. This makes it feel like a real dress-up set.
The corner smooth seams, turning paper into dreams. Cut, glue, create, watch imagination elevate. We're building a tower from a simple sheet. Bedroom vibes, city lights, playground down the street. Dress her up, change the scene, make it how you wanna be. It's a paper doll world made by you and me. Made by you and me. Rainbow pillows, pink sofa, tickets for the roller coaster. Switch the background, change the day, new adventure on the way. Every outfit tells a story, tiny world in all its glory. Cut, glue, create, turn imagination into fate. We're building a tower from a simple sheet. Bedroom warm, sunset show, magic at her feet. Dress her up, change the vibe, let your creativity shine. It's a paper doll world, one page at a time.
Which outfit would you choose? Cozy pajamas or casual day look? Tell me in the comments. If you're building this world with me, make sure you watch printable number 1. That's where the starter set begins. And printable number 3 is coming next. We're expanding this world even more. If you want to collect every set and build your own DIY paper doll world, subscribe so you don't miss the next drop.
It's not just paper anymore. It's everything we're dreaming.